Welcome back to CallCentrate Solution Demo. Previously, we explored the Super Admin portal, its key features and configuration. Today, we'll delve into the Tenant Admin portal, your command center for managing agents, queues, campaigns, jobs, reports, and many more. To log in as a Tenant Admin, simply select the web login option and enter your credentials, which includes your username and password. Great. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, click Login. You'll be prompted to the dashboard screen. The dashboard provides a quick overview of contact center's activities with widgets and counts. Here's what you'll see. Agents shows the total number of available agents. IVR indicates the total number of IVRs configured. Campaigns show the count of the created campaigns. DIDs display the total number of assigned and added DID numbers. Live Agents displays the total number of agents categorized by activity, on call, on break, ringing, and waiting. Live Calls shows the number of inbound and outbound calls currently happening within your tenant. Live Queues displays the queue details in the contact center, including agent calls and waiting calls. Call Details graph showcasing inbound and outbound call trends over time. You can filter these details by date and queue. Queue details are used to analyze agent call activity and abandoned calls within specific queues. You can filter out by date and queue for a more granular view. Disposition details display the graph for the disposition status that is added by the agent after completing the call. This graph shows the number of calls assigned to each disposition. The left-hand side navigation menu allows you to access various functionalities within the portal. Clicking on an option will either redirect you to the dedicated screen or display a submenu for further selection. At the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll see My Profile. With just a click, this drop-down is available on every page of the application, which includes Profile, Change Password, and Logout options. Selecting any option will redirect the Super Admin to their respective pages. Thanks for watching out. In the next video, we'll show you how Tenant Admin can manage the agents, extensions, and skills.